polynomials. Let us move on to the new topic, that is algebraic identities. Again, it is just a recall of standard 8. Let us move on to all the identities that we have seen so far. This is the first identity, x plus y the whole square. That is x square plus 2xy plus y square. Second identity, x minus y the whole square. That is x square minus 2xy plus y square. Third identity, x square minus y square. It gives us x minus y, x plus y. Fourth identity, x plus a into x plus b. That is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Then the fifth identity, x plus y plus z the whole square. It gives us x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. X plus y the whole cube. That is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. X minus y the whole cube. That is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. And the last one, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz will give us x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now, you have to remember one more thing, that if x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz, if and only if x plus y plus z is 0. Now, these are all the identities, that is, these are all the formulas. They are very important to solve the sums. So, let us see some of the specified sums based on these formulas. Using suitable identities, find the product of x plus 4, x plus 10. Y square plus 3 upon 2, y square minus 3 upon 2. Let us move on to the first question, that is x plus 4, x plus 10. Recall this identity, x plus 4, x plus 10. This x plus 4, x plus 10. X plus 4, x plus 10 is of the form x plus a into x plus b. It is of the form x plus a into x plus b. Now we know the formula for x plus a into x plus b, that is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So indirectly this 4 is nothing but a and this 10 is nothing but b. So let us solve this and check what we are getting. So we can say x plus 4 into x plus 10 as a square, that is x square plus a plus b, that is 4 plus 10 into x plus ab. ab is a into b, that is 4 into 10. So if you solve this further, we are going to get the answer as x square plus 14x, because 4 plus 10 is going to give us 14 and 4 into 10 is going to give us 40. So it is very simple. Let us move on to the second question. Y square plus 3 by 2, y square minus 3 by 2. So if you observe properly, this is of the form a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. So a plus b into, so a plus b into a minus b gives us a square minus b square. So a plus b, this a is like your y square and b is like your 3 upon 2. What is the formula for a plus b, a minus b? We get a square minus b square, that is y square square plus 3 by 2 square. So let us see what we are going to get. Very simple one, a square. So this one was a square minus b square, a square minus b square. So y square the whole square will give us y raised to 4 and 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. So y raised to 4 minus 9 is the answer. Evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. The first question is 95 into 96 and second is 104 into 96. So let us see the first question, 95 into 96. The question says we are not supposed to multiply them directly. So how will we solve this? First of all, 95 and 96. Both the numbers are closer to 100. Both the numbers are closer to 100. So what I can do is I can write down this 95 as 100 minus 5 and write down 96 as 100 minus 4. So this 95 into 96 can be written as 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4. Now recall the identity again. We know that there is an identity x plus a. We know that there is an identity x plus a into x plus b. That is, this first number is fixed. So you can see that clearly we know 100 is the first number. So 100 is your x. 100 is like your x, and there are two numbers, a and b. Though it is plus a over here, so a is minus 5 in this case. So a is minus 5 and b is minus 4. So x plus a into x plus b. Let us apply that and check what we get. So in the next step, I am writing down it in a systematic manner. That is, x plus a into x plus b, the formula is x square. So instead of x square, I get 100 square, because you know that our x is 100. X square plus a plus b. A plus b means what? A plus b means minus 5 plus minus 4, because a is minus 5 and b is minus 4. So a plus b into x. A plus b into x. Into x means into 100 again. You can see a plus b into x, plus the last term is ab. Ab means a into b. That is minus 5 into minus 4. So when we apply this, we get it like this. And now we know that 100 square. So what is square of 100? 10,000. Let us go through a systematic pattern. That is, x is 100 now, a is minus 5 and b is minus 4, as we have identified in this one. Then 100 square. What is 100 square? How much is 100 square? 100 square is 10,000. Now this minus 5 minus 4. This minus 5 minus 4 is going to give me minus 9. Minus 9 into 100 is minus 900. Minus 4 into minus 5 is going to give me plus 20. So if I solve this further, 10,000 minus 900, that is 9,100, plus this 20 is going to give me 9,120. Second question, again 104 and 96. Now 104 can be written as 100 plus 4, 96 can be written as 100 minus 4. So again, recall this identity. This is like your a plus b. This is like your a plus b and a minus b. In the next step, a plus b, a minus b is going to give me a square minus b square. That is 100 square minus 4 square. 100 square is 10,000, 4 square is 16. So we are going to get 9,984. Let's move on further. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. X plus 2y plus 4z the whole square. 3a minus 7b minus c the whole square. 1 upon 4a minus 1 upon 2b plus 1 the whole square. So let us move on to the first example, that is x plus 2y plus 4z the whole square. So here is the solution. This is like your a plus b plus c the whole square. A plus b plus c the whole square. So a plus b plus c the whole square is a square plus b square plus c square. It is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So let us see this identity, that is, this x is like your a, this is like your b, 2y, and this part is like your c. So a plus b plus c the whole square. Let us apply. So a square plus b square plus c square. You can clearly see. I repeat this. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab. So 2 into a into b, plus 2bc, that is 2 into b into c, plus 2ac, that is 2 into a into c in the last term. So in the next step, we are going to get x square as it is. 2y square will become 4y square. 4 square is 16, so 16z square. 2 to the 4, 4xy. 2 to the 4, 4 for the 16, 16yz, and this is zx, but 8zx. So in this way, we are supposed to expand. Here is the next example. This example again is of the form a plus b plus c the whole square. But first of all, let me arrange this properly. This can be written as, I can write this down as 3a plus minus 7b plus So what I'm doing is I'm just writing this down in the form of a plus b plus c the whole square. Writing this down in the form of a plus b plus c the whole square. In the next step, you will just expand a plus b plus c the whole square is a square plus b square plus c square. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab. So 2ab plus 2bc and 2ca. So 2ca. So this is the expansion. We have to just multiply. Let us see what we are getting. 3a square will become 9a square. 3 square is 9. Minus 7b square is 49b square. Remember that negative square is also positive. Therefore minus 7 square is 49. But we'll write down a plus sign over here. Minus c square. Again negative number square is positive. So c square. 7 3 is 21. 21 2 is 42. So one minus sign is there. Therefore minus 42ab. 7 2 is 14. Minus minus will become plus. So plus 14bc. Again there is only one minus sign which will come over here. 3 2s are 6. 6 AC. So this is the expansion. Now again it is the same but in the fractional form. Again this can be written as a plus b plus c the whole square. So what I am doing, just making it simple. I am writing a plus b plus c the whole square. So this can be written as a, that is the first part. 1 upon 4a is like your a. Then I am writing down plus and putting brackets and then writing down minus sign in the middle. That is minus 1 by 2b. And the third term, that is 1. So a plus b plus c the whole square. Therefore this part can be considered as a, this part can be considered as b, and this part can be considered as c. So again a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and 2ca. We have just solved it. You can go through it. We have just solved it. You can go through it. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now we'll get this answer. 1 upon 4. 1 square is 1. 4 square is 16. A square minus square is positive. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. B square. 1 square is again 1. Here, if you observe properly, this 2 and this 2 is getting cancelled. So 1 into 1 is going to give me 1. 4 is there in the denominator and this AB will come over here. Again, this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You'll get minus B. This 2 and 4 will get cancelled. You'll get 2 in the denominator over here. So that is a half of A remains. So this is the final answer. Now this factorization is in the reverse way. The expanded form is given and we are supposed to factorize. Let us see how. First of all, if you observe properly, this entire expression is of the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So this format is of this form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now we know that this is the expansion of a plus b plus c the whole square. This is the expansion of a plus b plus c the whole square. So we have to just connect with a, b and c. We have to identify what will be a, what will be b and what will be c. We are supposed to identify what will be a, what will be b and what will be c. Now a square, b square, c square. If you observe this term, that is 2ab, this term is negative. This term is negative means either x is negative or y is negative. Again this term is negative. That means again x is negative or z is negative. But if you observe this term that is over here, we can connect it with this term over here. This is positive. Y, z is positive. Both are positive. That means x has to be negative because this is plus. This is plus over here. X into y is negative. X into z is negative. That means there is a problem with x. That is x is negative over here. Correct. Y and z both are positive because when we are multiplying y, z, we are getting positive over here. But this x, whenever this x comes, negative sign comes, that means x is negative. X is negative means our a is negative. X is negative means our a is negative. B and C both are positive. B and C both are positive. That is, Y and Z both are positive because there is a plus sign over here. Now A square, you are getting 2x square. So square of which number is 2? We can say square of root 2 is 2. Because when I square root 2, I'm going to get 2. So I can say that this A is like minus root 2x, because when I'm going to square it further, I'm going to get this first term, that is 2x square. B is plus, here there is y. So B is nothing but plus y, because when I square this, I'm going to get directly y square. And in the third term, that is 8. Now 8 is square of 2 root 2. Because when I square 2 root 2, I'm going to get 8. So 2 root 2 and then z along with 2 root 2. Because when I'll square this, I'm going to get 8z square. Because 2 square is 4 and root 2 square is 2 and 4 2s are 8.